Well, this has turned out to be a horrible night. Somebody said, hey, we can see the bite mark from the monkey, and I have to go get a first series of rabies shots. Oh my God, it was recorded. Baby, I don't know. I'm out at 8 o'clock at night going to this medical clinic. They said to come in. My monkey bite got reported because they're in the national park, and I have to get a rabies shot. Can you believe I got to start a rabies series? But they're like, do you remember anything about the monkey? I'm like, there are hundreds of them. I don't know. Oh, I'm pissed. Okay, this is gonna suck. The rabies series sucks from what I understand. You can see the actual bite where he bit me. Those are his little teeth. Because rabies is fatal if you don't get the shot right away, but it makes you super sick. This is how I'm going to end my trip, and you guys are always wondering, like, why things always happen to you? Well, a monkey climbed me and bit me. All right, I better pay attention. I have to pay straight cash for all of this, for the vaccine, for the appointment. Oh, jeez.
This ever-changing love is pushing me too far. I feel the need to reach you right now, wherever you are. These empty arms are getting stronger every day. Believe me, baby, they won't let you get away. No, they won't let you get away. If you wanna be good for you, I didn't mean to be bad. But darling,
Okay, so I walked down to the clinic, which was about a 15-minute walk. I got the start of a new vaccine. I had another shot Monday. That's when I'm going to bed. It's 9 o'clock. I've had 9:30. It's hot out, and don't worry, I'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay. I didn't realize that the monkey actually left teeth marks in me, but I got it. Okay, whatever. All right. Love you. Bye.